Will foldables finally make sense when the software is built for a folding screen? That's what we're testing today. Let's check out the Vivo X Fold 6.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
The X Fold 6 looks clean, premium, and elegant without trying too hard. The blue hole color has a cool, ocean-inspired vibe, and the finish feels polished. Pick it up and it instantly feels like a true flagship. It's light, comfortable, easy to grip, and the slim bezels make a big difference. Open it up, and the ultra-thin inner bezels create a huge, immersive display that immediately grabs your attention. But the real story starts with OriginOS 6 Fold. The biggest highlight is Atomic Workbench, Vivo's multitasking system built specifically for foldables. It has two modes, serial mode and parallel mode. Serial mode keeps one app front and center while other apps stay ready in the background. Switching is almost instant, and replacing apps is just a swipe away. It's simple, smooth, and surprisingly intuitive. Swipe up with 3 fingers or lightly fold the phone, and you enter parallel mode. Now, multiple apps run side by side on the large display. You can drag the borders, resize each window, and customize the layout however you like. Think those smaller windows feel cramped? Here's the clever part. Spread 4 fingers and focus mode instantly expands one app to full screen. Pinch back with 4 fingers and you're right where you left off. Your app group stays in the dock and you can even save it to the home screen with a custom name. Take travel planning as an example. On a normal phone, you're constantly jumping between maps, guides, notes, restaurants, and transport apps. It breaks your flow, and it's easy to lose track of places or forget what you just saw. With the X Fold 6, everything stays on one screen. Keep your guide, maps, notes, and AI assistant open together. Check locations, build your itinerary, and make changes without endless app switching. The whole process feels faster and much more organized. To me, Atomic Workbench answers the biggest question about foldables. Why unfold the screen at all? It finally gives that larger display a real purpose by making multitasking genuinely useful. There is one challenge though. New users may not immediately know when to use the Workbench. Vivo includes some guidance, but better tutorials and step-by-step tips could help people unlock its full potential. AI is another area where the X Fold 6 steps up. Cross-window AI drag and drop is genuinely useful. Drag foreign text into the translator, then drop the result straight into your notes. Drag an image, and AI can turn it into an editable table or extract the text. You can even drag selected text to the blue star V icon to instantly start an AI conversation. It also includes an AI document manager and an AI meeting assistant. The AI document manager tackles a problem everyone has, finding files. Even if a downloaded document has a messy file name, AI reads the content and suggests a clear name. When your phone is full of documents, it also helps you find the right file much faster.
The AI meeting assistant is a huge win if you're in meetings all the time. It records conversations, automatically recognizes different speakers, and makes reviewing everything much easier later. It even analyzes the tone and overall mood of the discussion, helping you understand what's really being said. For office users, that's a serious productivity boost. The X Fold 6 doesn't stop at the phone itself. Connect it to a monitor or TV and switch into PC mode, and it works like a compact desktop while the phone becomes a touchpad. It's perfect when you need to work anywhere. Using 2 phones, file transfers are quick and easy. Move documents from an iPhone to the X Fold 6, then take advantage of the larger foldable screen. Car connectivity is also improved, but we'll save those features for another video. Now, let's talk about the cameras.
The X Fold 6 packs a Zeiss 200MP Super Main Camera, a Zeiss APU Super Telephoto Camera, and Vivo's Blueprint V3 Plus imaging chip. It also uses the same Blueprint native color technology as the Vivo X300 Ultra. Even more impressive, it's currently the only foldable that supports flash portraits and night shots across the full focal range. Vivo also offers an official photography accessory. Attach the Vivo Zeiss G2 teleconverter to the official case, and the zoom performance can even beat many flagship phones. Tiny distant subjects suddenly become sharp and detailed. Whether you're at the zoo or shooting a concert, the results are seriously impressive. Now for the rest of the specs. Every X Fold 6 comes with a huge 7,000 mAh Blue Ocean battery, plus 80-watt wired and 40-watt wireless. You also get IPX8, IPX9 water resistance, IPX5 dust resistance, and reliable operation in temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius. The inner display is the first to use SDC's M14 luminous material. Connectivity has also been optimized for real-life situations like meetings, trains, highways, elevators, and ride-hailing, helping keep your signals strong when it matters. But the biggest strength of the X Fold 6 is still its software. In China, the base model starts at 7,999 yuan, around 889 pounds or $1,177. Atomic Workbench transforms the foldable screen into a true productivity tool, not just a bigger display. Combined with AI drag and drop, AI Document Manager, AI Meeting Assistant, and stronger multi-device connectivity, everyday work becomes faster and much more convenient. It's clear Vivo focused on solving real problems for foldable users. The software feels polished, practical, and designed with purpose. And it doesn't stop there. The cameras, battery, display, and connectivity all perform at flagship level. Even against today's best premium phones, the X Fold 6 easily holds its own. If you're looking for a foldable as your main daily phone, the X Fold 6 is easily one of the most complete options available today. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.